Hi everyone, let's keep going refactoring our methods. So let's start by init layout. Create the method init layout. I keep the void version. I don't have to to return something. So let's create a string here that we are going to call playable word. Is the word which will be displayed to the user as he is playing. Well, and here I will try to initialize this. Let's say equals new string. No, it's not necessary. Let's do it like this. Let's do, I put 8 points because I do know that my words should have 8 points, should be 8 points long. So I think before doing that it's necessary to do equals thing. So playable words equals new string. Just want to be sure, I don't want to take any risk. Well, let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. It's there to do it this way. So double click doesn't work. Well, let's do it like this. Well, then well, that's the first step. Then I'm going to I have already chosen the word. I am supposed to have chosen the word, but what I do here is to try to use this much generally, because I will be using it many times. I will be using a random method many times, not only once. A random object, sorry, not only once. Well, what I'm going to do here is to I create an integer first. I create an integer that I will initialize to 0. Well, now I do a kind of do while what do while n is greater than 8 or lower than 8, do while l is lower than 8. Well, while n is lower than 8, what should you do? I should first do this. N equals n plus what? Plus random dot next int till 2. Well, what I would like to do is to display randomly some some letters of this word. Well, then should I do playable word dot replace? I think it's working like this. Replace dot dot char at chart n I can only get it. I'll change it exactly. But I think there is a replace I can use here, but there is no way to replace replace ads. No replace at. Well, I think a better option is to use a char list, table of char. Why not to do it like this? I think it's possible, but I actually don't know how I could do that. Code point at no char at just to retrieve. Well, I think that's the way to deal with that. So we're going to use char array, and what to do. The char array dot char array. Let's retrieve the value at n. No, it's not working this way. Let's do CSN, which is a char, because chosen word, dot char at n is working. Is this char at n a string or the char is a char? I think it's okay like this. Well, it's working, and that's great, that's great, that's great, that's great. It's working super well. I think that's okay, or maybe I should add something else. Well, it's better to put it this one on the top, cause yeah, it's better to put it on the top. Well, we are going to use a word instead of a do word. Well, I think this method is okay. I think it's okay. I'm sure that let's check it's okay. Playable word cause new string here. Playable word dot chart array. It's okay. In n equals 0, yn here plus this. Yeah, it's great. And cs at n equals chosen word at n. Just a last thing to add, because I want it to be uppercase. Great, that's okay. Well, let's move forward to this method. Get number of chances. Well, I try to make it very easy. I'm just going to put 5 here, as simple as this. Well, wait for answers. About wait for answers, I'm going to create, I should retrieve scanner from java.util. Well, I'm going to create it on the top. One from java.util. That's what I like to use. Scanner. Great. Then I'm going to use scanner here. Scanner equals new scanner. System.in. Well, then I'm going to do what playable word. Let's create another string again that we are going to call, let's say, play it word. And here we are going to do play it word because scanner next line. The next line I should be using, yes, this next line, scanner.next line. Well, it's okay. Well, I think it's okay. Enjoying the next video, the upcoming video, we are going to do the check answer method and the rest of it, and I think it will be the last video about refactoring those methods. See you last time. Bye.